Stop wasting your time, money, and health on the couch or in front of the TV. Get up and start walking to make money and get fit with a free app. I just discovered a new app, and I think it would be perfect for you. This app is free and it pays you in cash for steps, sleep, and more. How cool is that? Get paid for steps and sleep with this free app that rewards you for staying active, getting healthy, and sleeping better. Join the millions that are making bank while they walk. But first, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. What do you think about this free app? Get paid for every step you take and every hour you sleep. This is called Evidation.com. Evidation is a free platform, website, and mobile app, currently used by over 2 million members. As a member, you'll be able to earn rewards for healthy activities you already do. The Evidation app was created with the intent of helping others achieve their health and fitness goals and helping connect others who are interested in participating in groundbreaking research. Evidation awards points for actions tracked through technology like walking, logging food, and weighing yourself. You'll also earn points for responding to offers to read health-related articles, participate in research, and more. Members earn points and get paid for things they're already doing. They connect with their favorite apps to track everyday activity. And connecting an app or smart device makes it easy. To create an account, visit the website, or download the Evidation app on your Apple or Android device. Once you have created an account, you can begin earning points by connecting your favorite fitness apps to Evidation. Evidation can connect with over 20 iOS and Android apps and devices. Once you have connected your desired fitness apps to Evidation, you can begin earning points and rewards. To earn points, you can engage with offers, refer friends, and by performing activities that improve health. The more active you are, the more you earn. You can earn up to 80 points per day for each tracked variable activity, biking, walking, running, swimming, and other forms of exercise you do. Earn 6 points for each fixed activity, such as logging food, sleep tracking, weighing yourself, meditating, sharing your health journey on Twitter, and more. Earn varying amounts of bonus points by participating in offers, surveys, health programs, and research studies. Earn points for the highest value activity of a given kind per day. For example, if you walk 4,000 steps according to Apple Health versus 1,000 steps according to Fitbit, you'll be rewarded the higher value of 4,000 steps. The way your points are calculated and awarded varies based on a multitude of factors. Point values vary across activities and apps. The time it takes to reach 10,000 points and earn a reward varies based on activity, survey, offer participation, and more. There's no limit to the number of rewards that you can earn. You can choose to receive your reward through PayPal, e-gift card, or bank deposit. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.